Welcome at Toscanamia. Today we are cooking chicken thigh with vegetable. That's a very complete dish. So we need the chicken thigh, some extra virgin olive oil, some white wine, one red pepper or another color of bell pepper, capsicum, one potato, 3 zucchini, courgette, 2 carrots, 1 onion, and then some rosemary, if available the fresh one, otherwise dried, as we are using dried sage here, salt and pepper. Then you have to have available also some broth ready for cooking. First of all, we slice the onion for our chicken, so we are going to use it to cook the chicken. Okay, so just slice in this way. You don't need anything more special. Then we have to prepare the other vegetables. So we get our already peeled potato and we can cut it in big chunks that we are going to collect everything in a tray that goes into the oven. So big chunks like this. We don't need very much more, so we do with our potato. We are going to do with our zucchini. For the zucchini, always get rid of the 2 ending parts. In this way, we are doing the same thing with the carrot. Always the ending parts go away, and then big chunks also for the carrots, because remember that everything is going to cook in the oven. So we have all of these vegetables. For the pepper, we slice the pepper in half, get rid of the white part and the seeds. Then we slice in this way again, big chunks. Anyway, so now all of our vegetables are going in a tray just to have everything cooked in the oven. So we have our bell pepper, the pepperoni or capsicum as you call, we have the carrot, we have the potatoes, and we have the zucchini. The onion was sliced together, but it's going with the chicken when cooking the chicken first. So everything here. Now we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in our skillet and the onion we sliced before. We add now the chicken thigh. It's not important that they get color on each side, because the color will be given when cooking in the oven. Now for us the important thing is that they cook completely inside. So we just fix them in. We add a glass of white wine. Then salt, let's say 2 pinches of salt. Then of course we need a pinch of pepper. That's mixing with the wine in which they are cooking will go onto all of them. A pinch of sage to give more flavor. Then some rosemary, and the rosemary just here and there, irregular, doesn't matter, because anyway it will release taste in the wine. Then we let it cook a little bit with the wine only. Then we add some broth. The broth can be vegetable or chicken, doesn't matter. Okay, so they cook into this. It will take something around 20 minutes to cook, but you have not really to do very much. They do by themselves. Okay, now we have cooked for 20 minutes the chicken and 20 minutes the vegetable in the oven. So now we get the chicken and we fix in the vegetable in this way, all of it. And we are going also to use the leftovers of the liquid of the cooking of the chicken, not very much, because of course when cooking the chicken is reduced, but it has all the smells from the onion and from the different herbs, so we use everything. And we add some salt and pepper for the vegetable, because we need for sure also some salt and pepper for the vegetable. We just fix like this. Then when cooking we will turn some time, like after 10 minutes we can turn a little bit the vegetable and also flip the chicken. We add some broth, not very much, but something to keep everything more moisture. Otherwise you can add oil, but the broth is good. And then it goes into the oven for other 15 minutes minimum. For sure you can check that the vegetables are well cooked and the chicken have got some crust on top. Here are our chicken thigh with vegetables. If you like them, join us for another class.